Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Will Isola, founder of the IFBB Nordic Academy. Today I want to give you a comprehensive overview of what we stand for. Excellence in fitness education, right here in the Nordic region, but with a global reach and perspective. We are the official educational arm of the International Fitness and Bodybuilding Federation, the IFBB, in this region. Our core mission is simple: to blend decades of IFBB expertise, that rich heritage dating back to 1946, with the absolute latest in cutting-edge evidence-based research. We deliver world-class education tailored for dedicated fitness professionals, aspiring coaches, competitive athletes, and serious enthusiasts. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how we leverage the global prestige of the IFBB while focusing specifically on providing specialized, science-backed programs designed for real-world results. To understand the IFBB Nordic Academy, you first need to appreciate the foundation we're built upon, the IFBB legacy. The International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness wasn't founded yesterday. It was established in Montreal way back in 1946. Today, it's the global governing body headquartered in Madrid, with connections to over 200 national federations worldwide. This isn't just a name. It's decades of history, authority, and experience in shaping the sports of fitness and bodybuilding globally. The IFBB Academy is the educational division, ensuring high standards and unified teaching criteria across continents. Here at the IFBB Nordic Academy, we bring that global standard and prestige directly to our region: Estonia, Finland, Denmark, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden, while also welcoming students internationally through our online platform. This structure ensures the quality and recognition of your certification while benefiting from our specialized Nordic focus. Our mission at the IFBB Nordic Academy goes far beyond simply teaching exercises. We are committed to excellence in results, operating under a clear, no fluff, just results philosophy. This means every technique, every strategy we teach is grounded in evidence-based methods, scientifically validated and proven effective for improving physiques, enhancing fitness, and boosting peak performance. We aim to combat sedentary lifestyles by disseminating reliable health and fitness knowledge, educating on optimal recovery and nutrition, and cultivating the advanced coaching methodologies needed for elite performance. It's about providing education that makes a tangible difference, whether for personal health or competitive success. In leading the IFBB Nordic Academy is a role I take very seriously. My background creates a unique blend of expertise that shapes our educational environment. Academically, I'm currently a PhD candidate focusing my research specifically on fitness athletes. And I hold master's degrees in both sports coaching and military sciences. Practically, I bring over a decade of hands-on coaching experience, working with athletes up to the national championship level, particularly in nutritional coaching. My background also includes a decade enhancing the physical fitness of soldiers as a captain in the Finnish Defence Forces, demanding structure and effectiveness. Furthermore, my roles within the IFBB structure as an IFBB college faculty member, an international teacher for the global IFBB Academy, and chairman of the Coaches Commission for the IFBB Nordic Federation ensure our programs are perfectly aligned with IFBB standards and strategic direction. This combination ensures our curriculum is scientifically current, practically relevant, highly structured, and focused on real-world application. Who are our programs designed for? We cater to a range of dedicated individuals within the fitness and bodybuilding sphere. This includes current fitness professionals, personal trainers, bodybuilding coaches, nutrition specialists who are seeking to deepen their expertise and gain advanced, recognized certifications. We also serve competitive athletes looking to enhance their own performance or gain a deeper understanding of the principles behind their training and nutrition. And importantly, we welcome dedicated fitness enthusiasts who are serious about their own development and want access to high-level, evidence-based knowledge. Our tiered course structure allows individuals to enter at the right level for their current knowledge and aspirations. While some programs, like our Master Coach certification, require prior experience and active coaching roles, others, such as the Advanced Resistance Training course, have no prerequisites, making advanced knowledge accessible to anyone committed to learning. While our name highlights our Nordic focus, serving the fitness communities in Estonia, Finland, Denmark, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden, including multilingual support, our reach extends far beyond these borders. Thanks to our 100% online course delivery, we offer significant digital accessibility. This allows students from literally anywhere in the world to enroll in our specialized programs. This creates a unique dynamic. We foster a strong identity and community within the Nordic region, while also attracting an international community drawn by the global reputation of the IFBB brand and our specific evidence-based curriculum. It's the best of both worlds, regional roots and global reach. Across all our programs, we aim to cultivate a set of core high-level competencies focused on physique transformation and performance optimization. You will learn to move beyond trends and anecdotal advice to ground your techniques firmly in evidence-based methodologies, utilizing current research in training, nutrition, and coaching. You'll develop an advanced program design capability, understanding sophisticated exercise mechanics, biomechanics, and muscle architecture to create truly effective plans. We cover comprehensive nutritional planning from foundational principles right through to advanced strategies for specific goals like muscle gain or fat loss. And you'll master thorough assessment techniques to evaluate clients or yourself and develop truly personalized programs. The constant theme is the practical application of this knowledge to achieve real-world results. We offer a structured pathway for your educational development here at the IFBB Nordic Academy. You can start with our foundational IFBB Personal Trainer course, which combines university-level exercise science with practical application, perfect for starting your career. From there, you can specialize with our advanced courses. The Advanced Nutrition course provides a deep understanding of nutrition science for performance and physique goals. Our Advanced Resistance Training course offers mastery of training methodologies, specifically for hypertrophy and strength, including our unique IFBB SCTOH method. For those aiming for the absolute highest level, especially in competitive coaching, we offer the IFBB Master Coach program, Master in Fitness and Bodybuilding Methods. This elite program requires practical coaching experience and delves into the art and science of preparing athletes for the stage and for continuous support and learning beyond specific courses. We have the IFBB Nordic Academy Inner Circle, an ongoing membership providing access to experts, resources, and community. This tiered structure allows you to progress based on your goals and expertise. We utilize a modern, flexible learning environment designed for today's professionals and enthusiasts. Our primary delivery is 100% online, accessible through web browsers and dedicated mobile apps, allowing you to study anytime, anywhere. But it's not just passive learning. We incorporate live interactive sessions, giving you direct engagement with industry experts and faculty like myself through online instruction, masterclasses, and Q&A sessions. You receive comprehensive materials, extensive digital texts, pre-recorded video lectures, recordings of live sessions, and interactive content, all delivered through the user-friendly Kajabi platform. Crucially, we emphasize practical application with hands-on tasks, self-assessment opportunities, and collaborative learning, ensuring you can translate theory into tangible skills. A key value of studying with us is the accreditation and recognition you receive. Upon successful completion, you are awarded an official IFBB approved qualification. This isn't just any certificate, it carries the weight and global recognition of the International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness. Our personal trainer certificate, for example, is benchmarked as equivalent to level 4 on the European Qualifications Framework, EQF. The credibility is further reinforced by the extensive recognition of our parent organization, the IFBB, by numerous global bodies like the Global Association of International Sports Federations, GISF. Importantly, the IFBB is also a signatory to the World Anti-Doping Agency WADA code, highlighting our commitment to clean and ethical sport, a standard reflected in our education. What truly sets the IFBB Nordic Academy apart? Several key attributes define our approach. Firstly, our unwavering commitment to evidence-based practices. We integrate advanced research from exercise physiology, nutrition, and biomechanics, ensuring you learn methods grounded in science, not fads. Our faculty are often active contributors to scientific research themselves. Secondly, our specialized focus. We have a distinct niche in the science and application of techniques for modifying body composition and enhancing performance, particularly for bodybuilding and physique sports. Our programs offer deep, actionable insights that go beyond generic training advice. Thirdly, our ethical commitment. Linked to the IFBB status as a WADA code signatory, we place a strong emphasis on ethical practices and the principles of clean sport, including discussions on health risks associated with performance enhancement methods. And finally, we leverage the extensive history and IFBB legacy, providing a unique advantage and credibility. And completing our programs offers significant benefits for your career advancement. The 100% online accessibility means you can gain these qualifications from anywhere in the world. The IFBB certification provides international recognition, enhancing your credibility and employability globally. Beyond the certificate, you gain access to the global network of IFBB federations and professionals. This exclusive network includes elite coaches, athletes, and industry innovators, offering invaluable opportunities for networking, collaboration, and peer learning. Our qualifications, like the EQF Level 4, equivalent for the PT course, provide a clear benchmark of your expertise. With 24/7 learning access to materials, you can truly integrate study into your life. How does enrollment work? We typically use structured intake periods for our courses, meaning they have defined start dates and specific registration deadlines. This allows us to create focused cohorts and manage resources effectively. However, the learning itself offers flexibility. Our online format allows for self-paced learning within the course structure, enabling you to study at your own pace and fit learning around your existing work or personal commitments. Keep an eye out for early enrollment incentives. We often provide pre-order offers with significant savings for those who register early, and to make enrollment easier, we offer flexible payment options, typically including both one-time full payments and convenient installment plans through services like Klarna. So, that provides an overview of the IFBB Nordic Academy. We offer a clear path to fitness excellence. You can choose your path from our structured range of courses, selecting the program that best matches your current expertise and future ambitions. From the foundational PT certification right up to our specialized master program. You get to engage with experts, learning directly from world-renowned faculty and experienced professionals like myself in our blended learning environment. Crucially, you apply your knowledge, translating science into practical results through real-world application and hands-on learning. And you join the IFBB community, gaining access to an exclusive global network. If you are serious about achieving the highest level of scientifically rigorous education, specifically focused on elite results in physique development and performance, the IFBB Nordic Academy offers an unparalleled opportunity. We invite you to elevate your expertise, advance your career, and become part of a community defined by evidence-based excellence. Visit our website to explore the programs in more detail. Thank you.